Hi beautiful family, today is another beautiful day and a new video, so quickly let's pronounce today's words. And we are going to be working with the U-R-E, the U sound, so we have them as follows. Pronounce alongside with me as usual. Mature, 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 nature, 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 future, 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 injure, 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 capture, 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 lecture, 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 mixture, 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 manu, 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 vulture, 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 abjure, 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 future, 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 pressure, pressure, pressure. We have mature, nature, nature, future, injure, capture, lecture, mixture, manu, vulture, abjure, future, pressure. Alright, let's go with one more. We have mature, nature, future, injure, capture, lecture, mixture, manu, vulture, abjure, future, pressure. Alright, how many did you score right? Let's see the next one. Infrastructure, 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 fixtures, 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 aperture, 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 architecture, 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 caricature, 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 measure, 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 seizure, 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 conjure, 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 aviculture, 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 juncture, 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 figure, 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 nurture, nurture, nurture. So we have infrastructure, 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 fixtures, fixtures, aperture, aperture, architecture, architecture, caricature, caricature, measure, measure, seizure, seizure, conjure, conjure, aviculture, aviculture, juncture, juncture, figure, figure, nurture, nurture. All right, so how many did you get right? Let's see the next one. Let's go. Adventure, 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 temperature, 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 failure, 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 secure, 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 texture, 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 venture, 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 premature, 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 procure, 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 sulfur, 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 vasculature, 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 treasure, 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 pleasure, pleasure, pressure. So we go over it again. We have adventure, adventure, temperature, temperature, failure, failure, secure, secure, texture, texture, venture, venture, premature, premature, procure, procure, sulfur, sulfur, vasculature, vasculature, treasure, treasure, pleasure, pressure. Okay, so let's see the next one. We go creature, 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 composure, 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 leisure, 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 disposure, 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 pasture, 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 endure, 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 departure, 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 features, 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 closure, 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 manicure, 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 pedicure, 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 stature, stature, stature. We go over it again. We have creature, creature, composure, composure, leisure, leisure, disposure, disposure, pasture, pasture, endure, endure, departure, departure, features, features, closure, closure, manicure, manicure, pedicure, pedicure, stature, stature. So how is it going? How many have you scored right? Let's move on to the next one. This is the last on the list for today. So let's go. We have torture, 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 tenor, 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 rapture, 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 rupture, 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 structure, 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 scripture, 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 fracture, 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 capture, 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 recapture, 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 gesture, 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 literature, 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 moisture, moisture, moisture. We go over again, we have torture, torture, tenor, tenor, rapture, rapture, rupture, rupture, structure, structure, scripture, scripture, fracture, fracture, capture, capture, recapture, recapture, gesture, gesture, literature, literature, moisture, moisture. All right, so how many did you get right? Tell me in the comment section. I'm actually seeing all your comments, guys, and I believe you're actually making progress. And thank you for stopping by today. This is Ugo calling it short for today's video. In case you're just joining us, don't forget to subscribe. Join the family simply by subscribing and turn on notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you soon on our next video, and bye for now.